So I'm going to help you create a powerful custom GPT for podcast transcripts to create a ton of content for you really quickly. So I already did this morning in just a couple minutes and wanted to show you how easy it is to do something like this. So first thing that I did is I went to Claude, generally because this is my preference for output because it creates a little bit better output than ChatGPT. So I went in here and I said, help me create a custom GPT that turns podcast transcripts into a full suite of content. And then I just listed out what came to the top of my head. Again, I would urge you to think more deeply about what kind of content you want your podcast to create. But I just threw this together in a few seconds. So let's watch what it does. Again, you can do this in ChatGPT as well. I just personally prefer Claude for this, and I pay for both. So I'm just going to go here first. Okay, it did this for me this morning too, where it's trying to turn this into like an app and posting the code for it, even though I basically said just, oh, you know what? I said create a custom GPT instead of a prompt. That's what I did wrong. Okay, I'm going to leave this in just so that you guys can see this and see. This is actually helpful to know what Claude and ChatGPT does this as well now, where they have this basically this editor that comes over. You can see it actually built like a little app here, but this is not what I wanted. So I'm going to tell it here. I'm going to say, sorry, please just give me the prompt only. So there you go. First lesson, make sure you're more clear about what you want. I'm so used to using the term custom GPT when in reality, I want the prompt because I'm going to put the prompt in ChatGPT. Okay, so what this just did is it took what I said I wanted and then it turned it into a prompt that we can put in ChatGPT to create a custom GPT so that we can use this very easily going forward every single day whenever we want. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Okay, make sure you only copy the parts that are related. Okay, so now I'm going to go into ChatGPT and I'm going to go to so again, you have to pay for ChatGPT to do this. You go to create and then you go to configure and then you're just going to paste what you got from Claude right here. I'm going to call this, I'm just going to call it podcast test because I already made the real version of this. Okay, you could add an image if you want, but I'm not going to worry about this. Okay, let's say create. Okay, so now this is a custom GPT that I can use whenever I want. And so here, let's actually look at the prompt real quick so you guys can see what I did here. So it says, you're a specialized AI content generator designed to transform podcast transcripts into comprehensive content packages. So that's great. So for every time I provide transcripts, do this. YouTube optimization, short form video. All it's doing is picking out the best 60-second sections. Probably not even that good, but told it to do it anyway. And then create SEO content, keywords, articles, memorable quotes, key insights, any recommendations given, tools, books, some summaries, episode brief, target audience identification. Again, you could expand this list a ton. This literally took me 30 seconds to think through and I threw it in there. Okay, so now we're going to here's a podcast episode with Jeff Woods. It's really good about AI. So I'm going to take just the YouTube link. So you just take the YouTube link. Then I found this website called youtube-to-transcript.com. Super easy. Go here, paste the link, click get free transcript. Again, anywhere you can get a transcript. If it's your own Zoom, you can just go into Zoom and pull it or wherever, but I just wanted to pull a public thing here. So I'm going to go here, copy transcript. Great. Go into ChatGPT. I'm just pasting the transcript and then hit enter. And look at this. Okay, so it's giving me the description to put in YouTube. Again, this is the idea here in theory is that, hey, I just recorded this episode. Now I need a ton of content of me that I can use on social media to promote it, to put in the YouTube link. So again, you could literally just paste this in YouTube. You've got tags, which are valuable. You've got, let's see, what's this? These are potential segments for cutting clips. Again, you'd have to manually do that, but at least it gives you some ideas in theory if you have a VA or somebody doing this. SEO content, giving you words for that, article titles, outlines for articles. So this one, I didn't do a good job telling it to write the entire article, but I could totally have done that and said, don't just give me the outline of the article, write me the entire article. Or right now with this, I could just go copy paste this in ChatGPT and it'll write article, giving you some cool quotes, key insights, action items, key takeaways, target audience, etc. So I got all of this, and now I can do this anytime, instantly. So you just saw this entire process I just did to create this crazy GPT, right? And so number one, this is a pretty cool GPT. Obviously, I could refine it, make it better, but also this is how you should be thinking about problems that you want to solve. Things that you're handing off to VAs, things you're doing yourself. How can I just go in to ChatGPT or Claude, tell it to create a prompt to do what I want, save it as a custom GPT, and then use it whenever you want. So hopefully this is helpful. Reach out to me if you need help with anything. But yeah, appreciate you checking it out. Thanks.